Stop what you're doing. This is the most important week of the year for investors, and most people have no idea what's about to hit them. Let's set the stage. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both closed Friday at all-time highs. The S&P is up over 9% just in April. The Nasdaq? Up over 15% this month alone. The market has been ripping. But this week is where it gets tested. 5 of the Magnificent 7 report earnings this week. Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta all drop Wednesday. Apple reports Thursday. That's 4 of the biggest companies on Earth reporting on the same day. And all of them have already rallied more than 10% this month heading into their numbers. Expectations are sky high. Analysts are projecting Magnificent 7 net income to grow 25% in 2026 versus just 11% for the rest of the S&P 500. You have to blow it out. Today, Monday, watch Verizon and Domino's. Tuesday, Coca-Cola, Visa, Starbucks, UPS, and Spotify. Wednesday is the big one. Thursday, Apple, Eli Lilly, MasterCard, and Caterpillar. This is the busiest earnings week of the entire year. Here's what most investors are sleeping on. Wednesday is also the Fed's interest rate decision, and it could be Jerome Powell's second-to-last meeting as Fed chair. The DOJ just dropped its criminal probe into Powell, which cleared the path for Kevin Warsh to be confirmed as the next Fed chair before Powell's term expires May 15th. The path is cleared for Kevin Warsh to be confirmed as the next Fed chair before Powell's term expires May 15th. Markets price in zero cut Wednesday. But watch Powell on inflation. Oil is sitting near $105 a barrel because of the Strait of Hormuz, and inflation just hit a 2-year high of 3.3% in March. One hawkish word from Powell and this rally could stall fast. And then there's Iran. Axios reported this weekend that Iran passed a new proposal through Pakistani mediators to reopen the Strait of Hormuz, but nuclear talks have been punted to a later stage. Trump canceled the Islamabad peace talks Saturday. Oil jumped on the news this morning. If a deal gets done, oil drops, stocks pop. If talks collapse, oil spikes toward $110, and this market gets a gut punch mid-earnings season. One more thing. Apple reports Thursday, and this is the first earnings call since Tim Cook officially announced he's stepping down as CEO in September, handing the reins to John Ternus. Investors will be listening to every word for what this leadership change means for Apple's AI strategy and its massive China exposure. This week doesn't just move stocks, it moves the entire market narrative for the rest of 2026. Stay locked in. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Let your money fly.